Hello again and welcome. Thank you for watching this quick Canvas overview for the geometry course. I'm currently using the one for fall 2021. This is your home page, so whenever you leave the dashboard on Canvas and you click your geometry course, it will come to this screen, which is the home page. Just a quick little welcome. It has a little course description straight from the course catalog. Then there are introductions, a little video about myself. I hope you've already watched, and then the video that I'm making right now is going to go in this blank spot for the course overview. Otherwise, the home page is pretty simple. As you can see, the next very large image on this page is this Go to Modules, because it says, well, what are we doing now? And the answer is going to be in the modules. Now, if you notice, when I scrolled over this picture, the pointer finger shows up because it is a link. The only downside to a link is that it then opens up in a new tab, and too many tabs just frustrates me. So this is an option. If you don't want to scroll back up, you just click the Go to Modules image. It will open up the Modules tab in a new tab. Otherwise, I'm just going to scroll up to the top, and you'll see that the Modules link is directly underneath the home page because it's that important. Okay, we click on the modules, and then in that same screen, after the click actually works, it will open up the modules, and I'm going to be organizing my modules for this course by weeks. It will have the dates on there, and then even within the dates, I'm going to have these subtitles specifically for what the expectation is every day. It's a little harder to do at the beginning of the school year simply because of all the extra stuff that we kind of need to cover before we actually start the material. So here's a little header. It says Warrior Way material. We have Mod 4 and Mod 5. So notice that this is the same Canvas course I'm using for both my Mod 4 and 5 geometry courses. And then there are assignments you can see, discussions, assignments, there's pages, and you can see the ones that have the point value on them, you definitely want to be paying attention to those. But that's it in a nutshell. The only other thing I will add is that remember that you can collapse your modules, and that I will be adding the next module on top of the previous one so that the newest one is always on the top of the module page. So I hope you find that helpful. So it will be, again, be organized by weeks, hopefully even within the days for that once you pop open the module, and the dates will be clearly written there. Of course, if you have any Canvas issues, concerns, or questions, please come to me first, and then if we need help, something that I can't fix, we will go out to the help desk. Thanks for watching.